All right. AI tools for education.
Yeah.
And no, I don't mean robots giving out grades, haha. I'm talking about tools that could actually make personalized learning, like as captivating as your favorite video game. We've got blog posts, video transcripts, even some insider info on 3 big ones: TurboScribe, Mizou, and Vidnoz, ready to unpack it all.
And what's really cool is how they're actually being used by, educators on the cutting edge already. Matlina Laxo, she's a digipedagogical expert. We'll hear more about her work. But the point is, this isn't some far-off future. It's making classrooms more inclusive and engaging right now.
Okay, so first up, TurboScribe.
Yeah.
Imagine, awesome video lesson, but you want every student to access it, right? Boom, TurboScribe. It uses some really smart tech OpenAI's Whisper, to be precise, and automatically generates subtitles that are actually, accurate.
You know those auto-caption fails we always see, right? The hilarious ones. This is different. TurboScribe is designed for education specifically, so it gets all the nuances of language, the stuff generic tools miss.
Like a secret weapon for inclusivity. Even YouTube's captioning isn't perfect. Matlina prefers TurboScribe for Finnish subtitles, actually.
And think about the impact. Accurate subtitles aren't just for students who are deaf or hard of hearing. English language learners, kids with learning disabilities, even just those who learn better reading along it levels the playing field.
And get this, it does more than subtitles. TurboScribe can even make discussion questions based on the video, or even help you write those catchy social media posts to share it all. Like having a TA dedicated to making your content shine. Seriously.
Speaking of TAs, let's talk Mizou. This thing takes personalized support to a whole new level.
Right. Picture designing your own AI chatbot, but fine-tuned to your exact curriculum, your students, everything. You tell it the learning goals, the grade level, even the kind of interactions you want, and it builds the thing.
It's incredible. Mizou really lets teachers personalize the learning experience. Matlina's video has some amazing examples: interactive games, simulated historical events, even vocab-building conversations, all with these chatbots.
Like an army of digital tutors, each one tailor-made. And the best part, teachers can share these chatbots. It's like this network of educators learning from each other's creations.
Exactly. Fostering collaboration, using each other's expertise. Imagine combining experienced teachers with the power of AI. The possibilities are enormous.
Tiny catch, though. The free version of Mizou has a 50 conversation limit per day. But honestly, that could be good. Forces you to focus on quality, right? Yeah.
100%. It makes every interaction with the chatbot count. It makes us rethink what learning even is. Instead of just filling out worksheets, students are actively engaging in tailored conversations.
Okay, ready for the wow factor. Vidnoz and AI avatars.
Now, this is where things get really visually interesting. Imagine educational videos, but with AI avatars. And not just generic ones either. What about a virtual version of yourself teaching? Or historical figures come to life?
Matlina used Vidnoz for her fall 2024 training course videos, actually. Her blog said it was surprisingly easy and made her online materials way more engaging.
It's not just lectures either. History class, imagine. Students talking to a virtual Abraham Lincoln. Or asking Marie Curie about her work. Makes it real, you know.
History comes alive. And it's not just about being flashy, though that's cool. Think about visual learners or kids who struggle with traditional textbooks. This could be huge for them. Make learning interactive instead of just, absorbing information.
Exactly. It's all part of this movement towards personalized learning, right? Meeting different learning styles instead of one size fits all. We can let students learn in ways that work for them.
It's like we're on the edge of this massive change in education. And these AI tools are just the start. We've got TurboScribe making things accessible, Mizou letting teachers create those personalized learning paths, Vidnoz making it visually engaging. What does it all mean for the classroom, though? That's the big question.
Right. One key takeaway is how we think about education is shifting. It's not just teacher giving knowledge to student. It's more than that now. It's about learners taking charge.
They've got their own personalized toolkit, and these are some of the tools, offering all these ways to engage, learn at your own pace, explore stuff that matters to you.
Exactly. And that's where it gets really cool for educators, you know? AI isn't replacing teachers. It's giving them
Superpowers, letting them do what they do best, guide, inspire, create that love of learning.
Like a superpowered sidekick. Taking care of the boring stuff so teachers can focus on those aha moments, the discussions, the creative projects, the stuff that makes learning fun.
Totally. Picture this. Teachers using AI to see where students are struggling in real time and adjust the lesson right then. Or students using AI to work on projects with kids across the world.
Whoa, breaking down classroom walls. The possibilities for collaboration, global learning, it's amazing.
Yeah.
And not just academics either. Think 21st century skills, critical thinking, problem solving, digital literacy, all that.
Exactly. Imagine using Mizou to make a chatbot that simulates a job interview or a debate. Practice those skills, get feedback in a safe space.
Or Vidnoz. Students making videos to explain tough concepts, building those communication skills, learning digital storytelling. It's not, here's the facts. It's, here's how to learn and create.
That's what makes this so powerful. When students are part of their own learning, when they own it, that's where the magic happens.
Like we're giving them the keys to the car, but the car is their education, you know? And these AI tools are just the first models off the production line. It's exciting for sure. But, gotta admit, a little daunting too, thinking about where it could all go.
That's why we have to approach it carefully, you know? This whole AI and education thing, being mindful of ethics, making sure every student has access, and never ever forgetting that human element, that's key.
Right. It's not about teachers becoming robots. It's about giving those teachers amazing new tools, letting them help students become creators in their learning.
100%. These tools can change education for the better, but only if we use them right. Thinking about things like, how do we implement this fairly? What about data privacy? And making sure it helps all students, no matter who they are or how they learn best.
So we're wrapping up our deep dive here, all this cool AI stuff. And I keep thinking, what if classrooms were like as personalized and engaging as scrolling through your favorite app? But instead of just, wasting time, it's knowledge, it's curiosity, a real love for learning. What does that picture look like to you? Especially for students who maybe haven't clicked with the traditional way.
It's powerful, isn't it? Makes you rethink everything we thought we knew about education. Like we could have a future where learning is just as dynamic and engaging as the world itself.
Couldn't have said it better. We'll leave you with that thought. Thanks for diving deep with us into the future of learning and AI. Catch you next time.